Durable construction. Compact and lightweight design. Soft start and cool surface technology. Safety certified with protections for thermal, battery overload, short circuit and earth fault. USB charging port. Samlex Solar features RV power products including solar panels and kits, charge controllers, inverter/chargers, DC/AC power inverters, battery chargers, transfer switches, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Good unit at a good price. Samlex is a fairly old and respected name in power electronics. I was surprised and pleased to see this for sale on Amazon, and at a very good price. It's still new, but I'm expecting good performance from this inverter.